to all. Welcome to online seminar on e-pedagogy organized by Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai. I am very happy to congratulate Professor Dr. N. Panchanadam, Vice Chancellor of the University, for initiating such a seminar in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. I am also very much thankful to the organizing committee for sharing information to submit paper titled Blended Learning System in the Digital Age, TAM 3 study on management education. In the present context, the information about educational content is available widely in various platforms. Starting from the kindergarten education to doctoral degree, contents are very competitive and unique in its nature. Even before the class commences, they are very much eager to see what is available in Google, the king of and queen of information available widely across the globe. In the present challenges of offering educational services in various field of education, the challenge is to provide the content as well as accommodate face-to-face interaction with the students. Management education is not alone offering such learning system. All the streams of education provides similar learning management systems. Now the study is about to what extent the blended learning system, which is a combination of online learning system and physical learning system, in different forms, namely face-to-face drivers, rotation, flex, check-ins, and more. All these combinations of blended learning systems vary from 10% of online content and 90% of physical learning system. The acceptance for this kind of learning system is studied by model provided by Venkatesh et al. The present study on a blended learning system have been executed using TAM 3 model, which is published by Venkatesh in the year 2008. The model consists of perceived usefulness and perceived ease of use as criterion variables, leading to behavioral intention and use behavior on the blended learning system. Now the construct contains about 35 variables that is useful for collecting data and fixing it in a model. The software used for finding the structural equational fit is SmartPLS. The data form was placed in Google Forms, and the link was shared among academics in different versions. There are 5 different versions of Google Forms shared and data have been gathered. Now coming to the construct validation, the Cronbach alpha and composite validity, in addition to average variance extracted, have helped us to eliminate some of the items which were below the unexpected Cronbach alpha values. Based on the clearing of data and some of the items from the construct, the model have been tested and established. It is understood that the perceived usefulness was determined with R square value of above 0.7 and perceived ease of use R square value also accounts for about 0.7 and above. In respect of the criterion variable, the perceived ease of use have been influenced by computer playfulness and perceived enjoyment. So that indicates it is all about the ease of use and the comfortness, fun that they enjoy in the learning system. The other variable, behavioral intention to use the blended learning system, was directly influenced by perceived ease of useness very high when compared to perceived usefulness. In line with the use of behavior of blended learning system, the intention has driven above 0.6 with a determination of behavioral intention around 0.6 and above. The use behavior on the blended learning system was able to determine at around 0.550 as the R square value extracted from the model. It is further inclined to relate our experience with the blended learning system as a case on the executive education initiated at NLC India Limited by Annamalai University since 2017. Over the last 3 years, we were experiencing the interest of working executives able to adopt and accept the contents provided in various forms of course pack in K-Center and Harvard Business School publishing platforms. And also we have provided the similar content whatever we have used in our physical learning system in the Google Drive platform and classrooms. It is very much evident that the course pack was considered to be very much user friendly when compared to Google Drive, as there is a flow of information and framework available in the course pack. Working executives were quite comfortable in using the content and also refer to the physical learning system. Now the results of the model shows that more than the perceived usefulness, it is the perceived ease of use on blended learning system. It is also found that the proportion of participants of the survey, 20% of online content and 80% of the physical learning content were blended as a blended learning system was preferred very much by around 30% of them. On the other combinations of 25% of online learning system and 75% of physical learning system and 50% of OLS and 50% of PLS and also 75% of OLS and 25% of PLS. The maximum what we could see from the responses, the online content could be offered to a maximum extent of 75% and not beyond that. And also physical learning content can be reduced to an extent of 25%, not beyond that. So to be precise, it is accepted that the blended learning system is more useful for the working executives and also postgraduate students. And the digital age and the present COVID-19 pandemic has set in. The learning system should change, and also the e-pedagogy has to be revised in the university curriculum and also in the syllabus of each course, so that the benefit of doubt goes to academics, both faculty members and the learners. So it is an indicative model, and further longitudinal study could help the policy makers to rope in and conduct similar study to know the preference of the faculty members as well as the students, so that customer friendliness will be there in the educational service in the long run. So I am quite happy to invite topics or any questions for further discussion, and I am available on chat as well on email. And I profusely thank the organizing committee and my fellow colleagues who have extended their support in offering data for building this model. And also I am quite thankful to our university authorities for encouraging such kind of seminars in the long run. Thank you very much.